Tampering of Bukhari in his book Sahih Bukhari regarding Masah over the feet in Wudu. Abu Dawud al-Tayalisi narrated a hadith in which it is mentioned that Hazrat Ali performed Masah over his head and feet. Abu Dawud narrated to us, he said. Shu'bah narrated to us, he said. Abdul Malik bin Maisarah informed me, he said, I heard Nazzal bin Sabrah saying, Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, performed the Zuhr prayer in Rahbah, a place. Then he sat down to fulfill people's needs until the Asr time arrived. Then a jug of water was brought to him. He took a handful from it, washed his face and hands, and wiped over his head and feet. But when Bukhari narrated this hadith, he altered the word Masah. Adam narrated to us, Shu'bah narrated to us, Abdul Malik bin Maisarah narrated to us. I heard Nazzal bin Sabrah reporting from Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, that he performed the Zuhr prayer, then sat to fulfill people's needs in the courtyard of Kufa until the Asr prayer arrived. Then water was brought, and he drank from it, washed his face and hands, and mentioned Dhakara, his head and his feet. Bukhari changed the word because Hazrat Ali's action was a proof of the correctness of Shia Wudu and a clear sign of their true following of the command given by the Messenger of Allah. Can a person who changes the words of hadith in such a manner be called trustworthy? And can his collection of hadith be called sahih and authentic? Ahl al-Sunnah wal